This is the Insta360 One X. Today I'm going to find out if you can vlog with it. Okay, we're recording. This is my first ever recording with the Insta360 One X. So, let's start vlogging. Okay, so here we are, walking and talking, making a video, making a vlog. This is my regular vlogging camera. But can this replace this? Somebody to somebody. So, I'm sure the image quality is pretty good. It's 5.7K resolution that covers the whole 360 image. But the main thing when it comes to vlogging is going to be the audio. So, let's go for a walk. Okay, so this is not going to be a review of the Insta360 One X because I'm sure there's enough of those online. This is merely to see whether you can use it as a vlogging tool or even replace your vlogging camera. Now, straight away, this is a completely unfair test because the Lumix G80 has a Rode Video Micro on top. So let's do another audio test. This is an audio test with the Panasonic G80 with a Rode Video Micro, and this is the audio test with an Insta360 One X with no additional microphone on top. Okay, so I think that's enough audio test. It's pretty dimly lit here, so it's quite good for low light. But let's go see what else this Insta360 can do. I went for the selfie stick and the bullet time handle with my Insta360 One X because apparently it can do stuff like this. Woo! Okay, so that was pretty cool. Let's see what else it can do. I should probably get dressed. Here we go! Okay, so I'm using my backpack to kind of prop up the selfie stick for the Insta360, and hopefully that's going to hold it okay, and then I'll be able to ride the scooter. It's also a good test for the stabilization, which apparently is absolutely awesome. So, it's kind of stopped raining, so now's a good time to give it a go. Okay, as you can see, there's an Arsenal game on, and I thought that would make some fantastic 360 footage, but unfortunately the One X died on me. The battery life sucks, but fortunately I do have a mobile charger, so I've stuck that in. I'm going to stick it back on the selfie stick and then stick it back on my back, put the camera hanging around my neck. I honestly feel like the robotic man. I feel like Iron Man or something with all this tech on me. It's ridiculous. Anyway, by the sounds of it, the game's starting soon, so I better get on with it. Go to 5 train, like to see them. I'm back to the roundabout. that way? Yeah? Okay, cool. Thanks. Okay, I'm going to end the time-lapse, time-shift thing there. Hopefully it'll turn out well. I've got no experience in editing any 360 footage, so we'll see how that turns out. Oh, God, this stinks. Tip for you tourists, never go in a red telephone box like this because they just stink. They're more like public toilets than public telephone boxes in London. Anyway, very, very crude first kind of impressions of the Insta360 One X so far. I need to look at the footage, need to throw it together to see how it is, but overall I think it'll definitely add to your vlogs. Whether it can replace a vlogging camera, I don't know. I don't think so. Probably because of the audio. Yeah, so I'm gonna take a pee, not in here, get some lunch, take a look at that footage, see what it's like. Hello?
Hello, Mr. Fox. Your videos suck. This telephone box will self-destruct in 5,
Oh my God!
3, 2, 1. Only kidding. Ha ha ha.
Okay, so I'm back in the house now, and I've been editing the footage. I tried editing on the MacBook, but the software doesn't support editing for the Insta360 One X yet. But I have been editing on my phone, and I have to say it becomes very, very intuitive, and it's really fun. You can add all the features like the time shift, the slow motion, the pivot points. So then you export it from your phone, and then I airdrop it to my Mac, and then I put it into Final Cut. So the workflow has taken a little bit of getting used to, but overall I think my personal opinion is I wouldn't use it for vlogging. I think in good light you could use it as a vlogging tool, like if you're traveling and you're on holiday you could certainly use it. I think the audio's passable, but I'm going to use it in addition to my vlogs. It's certainly got some brilliant features that are inbuilt that you can edit on the fly on your phone that make it worthy addition to any vlogger. Unfortunately, I would love to use this as a standalone vlogging tool. Maybe if it comes out with a little audio adapter you could, but then there's still that kind of workflow of passing it onto your phone and then onto the Mac to edit properly. So I don't know, down the line potentially in a future update, if they update the software on the Mac, if they if maybe there's a microphone for this, then it would be useful. But I hope you enjoyed that video. I'm definitely going to use it in future vlogs, so look out for that. If you do want to buy one of these, I've got an affiliate link which gives you a free selfie stick, which you absolutely need. So hit that up if you're after one of these cameras. I'd certainly recommend it. Yeah. Let me know what you thought. If you think it enhances a vlog, if you think it's a waste of time, if you think it's just a gimmick, let me know. If you got any questions about it, I will endeavour to answer them. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next one. But it won't be shot on this. See ya. I really hope I'm nearly there.